Join me as I take on the challenge of making $100 every single day with beginner-friendly affiliate marketing using AI. Can I do it? Today, I want to talk about a concept that's been gaining traction in the online marketing space. Affiliate marketing, simplified by the power of artificial intelligence. It's a game changer for beginners, and I'm excited to dive into it with you. You know, when it comes to making money online, many people get stuck on the starting line. They're overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there, and they struggle to find a clear path to success. They're lost in a sea of options, from Facebook ads to Google SEO, and they just can't seem to find the right combination that works for them. Without the right guidance, it's easy to get discouraged and give up. Additionally, many new marketers lack the knowledge and experience needed to create a sustainable income online. They might throw money at different strategies, hoping one of them will stick, but ultimately they end up wasting time and resources. It's a vicious cycle that's hard to break. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify the process, to make it easier for beginners to start earning a consistent income online? That's exactly what affiliate marketing with AI tools can do. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can streamline your marketing efforts and focus on what really matters: creating value for your audience. Let's get started. The first step in affiliate marketing is selecting a niche. You might be wondering, what's a niche and how do I choose one? Essentially, a niche is a specific area of interest or expertise that you can focus on. It could be anything from fitness to finance or even pet care. The key is to choose something you're passionate about, something that resonates with your values and expertise. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to find products to promote. This is where AI comes in. With the help of AI-powered tools, you can find top-selling products in your niche, products that have been proven to convert well and earn commissions. You can also use AI to identify profitable keywords that are low in competition and high in demand. Let's talk about a case study that really demonstrates the power of affiliate marketing with AI. Meet Rose, a stay-at-home mom who wanted to earn an extra income online. She had no prior experience in marketing, but she was determined to succeed. Using AI-powered tools, she selected a niche she was passionate about, healthy cooking, and found top-selling products to promote. Within a few weeks, she was earning over $100 per day, and her income continued to grow month after month. What's remarkable about Rose's story is that she didn't have to spend hours upon hours researching products or keywords. With the help of AI, she was able to streamline her efforts and focus on creating valuable content for her audience. She was able to build a loyal following, people who trusted her recommendations and were eager to buy from her. Rose's success story is just one example of the impact of AI in affiliate marketing. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, beginners can simplify the process, eliminate the guesswork, and focus on what really matters: creating value for their audience. In today's video, we've discussed the challenges of affiliate marketing for beginners, and we've explored the step-by-step process of getting started with AI tools. We've also seen the impact of AI in action through Rose's remarkable success story. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about creating value for your audience, and with the help of AI, you can do just that. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on affiliate marketing with AI. Leave a comment below with your questions or experiences, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on affiliate marketing. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video valuable. It will not cost you anything but will greatly impress us. Thank you for watching.